All right, why is everyone buying this under the desk elliptical machine? Why is this just flying off the shelves on Amazon? So it's because it is extremely effective and it is super portable. And look at all the different settings. So right now I'm on speed number 3, and everything can be controlled with this remote right here. I'm going to control it right here just for the sake of this video, but it's on speed 3 right now. To adjust the speed up, I'm just going to press this plus button, and I'm just going to go to the top speed right now. And the top speed is 12. So that's the top speed. I'm going to take my feet off really quick. That's the way it looks. My feet off. I'm going to put my feet back on, and it's just going to keep going. It's got a nice anti-slip vibe on the pedals for your feet. Also, if you need to, let me come back here actually, you need to get this. You've got these straps you can put over your feet if you want, as well as it's even got these handles that you can lock in if you want to work your arms and whatnot. So that's amazing. Let's keep going with the elliptical. And there we go. We're going. Now, I can also switch directions. Press the direction button. Now it's going to switch to reverse. This can be done in all the different speed settings. So I'm in speed 12, so it's going to go backwards in speed 12. So I'm in speed 12. It's amazing. There are multiple modes. So there's preset mode 1. You can set whatever you want on there. There's also mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5, 6, and now we're back to the beginning, back to the regular, where you can just set it whatever you want. And as it's doing that, it's doing a scan where it's telling you how much time you've been doing it for, the distance, the speed, the pedal count, and the calories. This thing's amazing. And when you want, you can put the remote in there if you want. But amazing. I highly recommend it.